Hi, in this video I will present you with a plugin I created for Rhino that will allow you to convert selected dimensions to static. That means when you select and scale, by default the dimensions adapt to the size of the objects. This is the default behavior, as you can see here. Now, sometimes you like to have these values fixed, maybe for printing reasons, and there is no way to do that for the whole dimensions at once. You can do this as I explained in this video I made 5 years ago, how to do it one by one by selecting a dimension, go into properties, and replace this angle bracket with the value that you want. For example, here I can replace it with the same value. I can replace it with anything, actually, and it will remain. For example, now, if I scale, this value will remain the same. The others will adapt. Now, if I select this and bring back the angle bracket, it will become dynamic again. So, one of the viewers asked me if this is possible for to do it with all the dimensions at once. So I created this plugin for Rhino. You select all the objects or the dimensions that you want. In this case, I will select everything. This plugin will go through the objects and filter out the dimensions, so you don't have to worry that you are selecting other things than dimensions. And here you can type DimToStatic and press enter. Now, when I select and I scale down, you can see the values still the same. Here I have two types of dimensions. I have those linear here, and I have two radial dimensions. So if you want to bring them back to the default state, means that want to make them dynamic again, you can select everything. Here you can see that there are two types of dimensions. Go to each one of them and type angle bracket for the linear, and for the radial also angle bracket. And now they are dynamic again. So, how to install this plugin? First, when you download it from the description, you extract the file. First, make sure to right click and check properties. If you see this, if you see an option for unblocking, check it and press apply. Now, in Rhino, and by the way, this works for Rhino 8 only, type plugin manager. Here, click install and point to where the plugin is. And double click it, and that's it. You can use it now. DimToStatic, and this plugin works with selected dimensions, so you need to select them first. So basically that's it for this tutorial. Hope you like it, and if you do, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.